The Shannon Free Zone, located in the west of Ireland, is the country's largest multi-sectoral business park outside of the capital. The zone, which is owned by Shannon Development, employs nearly 7,000 people and generates annual sales of more than €3 billion. Over 100 companies have chosen to invest at the Shannon Free Zone, with the majority of business coming from foreign direct investment. So why has the zone been so successful?
Well, I think there's a number of things. We have one of the youngest populations in Europe. We defy Europe because we're growing our population base, and that's very important for the future. Those young people are highly educated, so we have very deep penetration to third level education. We have a very good infrastructure, both roads, rail, and increasingly broadband, so next generation networks. So all the facets that you need in order to have a vibrant economy are already in place. You also then combine that with the fact that you have access into Europe from here. So, Europe has a 500 million market, and Ireland provides access into that market for a lot of foreign companies coming from not just the US, but also the Far East and Africa now increasingly. So it is a gateway. It's a gateway into Europe. It's English speaking, which everybody is these days. And we have a 12.5% corporation tax rate, which is very attractive for companies coming in. But with this region, you also have Shannon Airport. So it's your gateway airway into Europe as well. And with our combination at the airport and our very large business park at the airport, we can ensure that companies coming in here can fly in, can have ease of access, and have access to that market in a very competitive corporation tax rate with lots of young people and highly skilled.
Though there are currently no Chinese companies based in the zone, there is a long history of correspondence between Shannon Development and China. Since 1980, several top-level delegations have travelled from China to Shannon and used the Shannon Free Zone as a model for export zones back in China. You were talking there about your history with China that already exists. Can you tell me a little bit more about your relationship with China?
Yes, it goes back to about 1980. We've had many study visits from China. I believe a lot of Chinese people don't know where Ireland is, but they know where Shannon is because of that economic heritage that we share. And I think that's something that we want to build on. We would be very much welcome Chinese companies using Shannon as an access point into Europe. And I think because we have that heritage and shared heritage, then I think we can do that as well.
Do you see opportunities for Chinese firms to set up here and achieve success?
Well, I think this is the place where Chinese companies should come to. I really do believe that, because as I say, with Shannon Airport and the Shannon Free Zone, we have over say 100 companies already operating out of the Shannon Free Zone. We have access to the airport, airside to the airport. The airport is growing and offers custom and border protection into the United States. And this is unique within a European context, so that passengers can clear at Shannon Airport on their way to the United States. And it's a domestic flight from Shannon into the United States.
One company based in the zone is Specialty Cutting Tools, which has significant business links with China. Almost 30% of the company's exports are to China, and commercial manager Derek White explained the benefits of doing business in Shannon.
There's a highly skilled workforce available, well educated. We've 3 to 4 universities in the area. Corporation tax is a very, very low rate, and also proximity to the airport. We can get our product quite quickly to our customers. We have a distributor in Shanghai called Grand Pacific Enterprises. We export all our product through them. They in turn sell on to the aircraft industries, Xi'an Aircraft, Chengdu, Tianjin, Shenyang. They offer technical service to these customers, and with our tooling they make exacting holes on aircraft. Currently we're looking at a site in Shanghai. We hope to open something shortly. We're also looking at some machinery to start us off there, and hopefully we're going to be probably the first manufacturer of special cutting tools in that district.
6 months on from the formation of the new Irish government, export figures are increasing again, but the country now needs significant foreign direct investment to gain real economic growth.